Today is a wonderful day. Remember, if God is for us, who can be against us? I just received an invitation this morning. This is from Brother Paul Bucaras, and he is inviting me. And Brother Paul is inviting me for a symposium about HIV, AIDS, truth and challenges, and this will be at the USC Rockledge Yard.
First of all, I'd like to thank the Department of Hospitality Management for bringing the challenge that we pose to the entire university. You are the first department that allowed the hosting of an HIV/AIDS awareness seminar. I think that deserves a resounding applause. How do you acquire it? How do you prevent it? And how do we become proactive in the campaign against HIV/AIDS? Okay. So nagsugod siya na nakitaan ang phenomenon of HIV and the signs and symptoms of people living with HIV as early as 1978. Wapa ko nabuhat sa kumamagpapa. It actually was observed in the United States and Sweden, and it was not only observed among homosexuals, it's also at the same time observed among heterosexuals. In the early 1980s, the first case in the Philippines was documented.
A beautiful day. I'll be going to the radio station because I know that we have students from the University of San Carlos North Campus. These are small children. They're here for their tour, and they already went to our radio station. Nanganta daw ni sila sa mga karon.
Dear friends of St. Arnold.
And
okay. They will sing something.
Okay, we'll sing a song. Almighty Father, our hearts lift to you. Your loving servants, Lord, you know them through and through. Ordained as consecrated to you. They are serving us and teaching us your truth.
So thank you very much, my dear kids. Daghan kayong salamat, ha? Yes. Today is a wonderful day. Remember, we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose.